in the 10th inning, then,
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. We're testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, flash flood warning, child abduction, or civil emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Lenox Sioux Falls area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
To 10 miles an hour becoming northwest 10 to 50.
This is a test. This is a test. The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls, South Dakota has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This tone will normally precede the broadcast of emergency messages. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to advise or warn of impending hazards. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Sioux Falls each Wednesday morning between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time. The test will be canceled if severe weather threatens the area during the usual test time. Reception of this broadcast, especially the alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Variability is caused by such factors as terrain and distance in the transmitters and will occur even though you may be using a good quality receiver. To provide the most consistent and dependable service possible, the warning alarm tone will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting those counties within each transmitter's listening area. This concludes our test. We now return to normal programming.